Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Silicone Gel Packs is probably one of the most underrated yet essential items for preserving the quality and longevity of your belongings, from electronics and important documents to clothing and even food items, acting as silent guardians against the damaging effects of moisture and humidity that can lead to mold, mildew, rust, and degradation, ensuring your valuables remain in pristine condition for years to come. Number 5. Nippies Reusable Silicone Nipple Covers. Introducing Nippies, the ultimate solution for discreet coverage. These reusable silicone pasties offer comfort and confidence throughout your day. Designed for a secure and comfortable fit, they stay in place no matter what. Enjoy peace of mind with our reliable nipple covers. Each set comes with a convenient travel case, making them perfect for on the go. Keep them protected and ready to use wherever you are. Choose between our classic original circle style or the innovative lift style for a subtle enhancement. Find the perfect fit for your needs. Made from high-quality silicone, they are gentle on your skin. Experience comfortable wear without irritation. Nippies are your go-to for any outfit, providing seamless coverage. Elevate your confidence with this essential accessory. What we like. These offer a discreet and reusable solution for nipple coverage. If you're looking for a comfortable and eco-friendly alternative to disposable covers, especially for outfits that require a smooth silhouette, these are a great choice. They are perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and convenient option for special occasions or everyday wear. What people say. The gel packs are effective at absorbing moisture. They are reusable and can be reactivated by placing them in a microwave or oven. The indicator beads change color when the packs are saturated, showing when they need to be recharged. Number 4. Ballotte Premium Silicone Heel Protectors. Experience unparalleled comfort with our premium silicone heel protectors. Designed for both men and women, they provide superior cushioning for your feet. Say goodbye to discomfort. These gel heel cups offer effective relief from plantar fasciitis and cracked footbed pain, allowing you to walk with ease. Protect your feet from blisters and irritation. Our cushioned sole cups create a protective barrier, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience with any shoe. These versatile inserts fit seamlessly into any shoe, providing targeted support and cushioning where you need it most. Enjoy all-day comfort, no matter the footwear. Crafted from high-quality silicone, our heel protectors are built to last. They are durable, reusable, and easy to clean, offering long-term value for your foot health. Whether you're running errands or engaging in sports, these heel protectors are your perfect companion. They support your active lifestyle by keeping your feet comfortable and protected. What we like. These provide excellent cushioning and support for your heels. If you suffer from plantar fasciitis, cracked heels, or simply want to prevent blisters during long walks or when wearing uncomfortable shoes, these protectors are ideal. They are designed for both men and women seeking relief and comfort for their feet. What people say. These packs are effective at absorbing moisture and preventing mold and mildew. The gel packs are individually wrapped, making them easy to use and store. They are a good size for small spaces like drawers, closets, and containers. Number 3. Peace&Quiet PQ Wax Earplugs. Experience unparalleled peace and quiet with our innovative earplugs. Designed for both sleep and swimming, they offer superior comfort and protection. Crafted from soft silicone gel, these earplugs provide a comfortable, snug fit. You'll barely notice you're wearing them, even during extended use. Effectively block out unwanted noise with an impressive 32 dB sound blocking level. Enjoy undisturbed sleep or focus on your swim without distractions. Whether you're a light sleeper or a frequent swimmer, these earplugs are your perfect companion. They ensure your ears stay protected and you get the rest you deserve. Each pack contains 15 pillow-shaped earplugs, offering great value and ensuring you always have a fresh pair ready. Enjoy long-lasting comfort and protection. What we like. These offer superior comfort and effective noise cancellation for a peaceful night's sleep or a quiet swim. If you are a light sleeper, live in a noisy environment, or need to protect your ears while swimming, these are an excellent option. Their soft silicone gel conforms to your ear for a secure and comfortable fit. What people say. These packs are effective at absorbing moisture and preventing mold and mildew. The gel packs are a good size and can be placed in various locations like closets, drawers, and luggage. They are reusable after drying them out in the oven, which is a great feature. Number 2. DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This TSA-approved set is designed for convenience and peace of mind on your journeys. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: bottles, jars, sprayers, and essential accessories, all neatly organized in a transparent makeup bag. Customize your carry-on with your favorite beauty products. Our bottles feature a superior leak-proof design, protecting your luggage and clothes from spills. The innovative shape ensures you use every last drop without any waste. Thanks to the wide mouth opening, filling and cleaning these containers is a breeze. Easily pour thicker liquids and reach every corner with the included brush. The no-drip valve on the cap ensures you dispense the perfect amount of product every time. Say goodbye to messy leaks and wasted product. All accessories are packed in a compact bag, saving space in your luggage. They are lightweight and perfect for travel, vacations, flights, and camping trips. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a convenient and organized way to carry your toiletries. If you travel frequently and want to avoid spills or the hassle of buying travel-sized products, this set is perfect for you. It's ideal for anyone looking for a durable, leak-proof, and easy-to-fill solution for their liquids and creams. What people say. The product works well and is effective in absorbing moisture. The design is compact and easy to store. The gel packs are reusable and can be reactivated by drying them in an oven. Number 1. HealFast Silicone Scar Gel and Cream. Introducing HealFast Silicone Scar Gel and Cream, a medical-grade treatment designed for effective scar removal. It's trusted by professionals nationwide for all ages and skin types. This advanced scar gel is the #1 recommended ingredient by U.S. physicians for scar reduction. It effectively treats scars from surgery, injury, acne, and more. Our physician-made formula contains only scientifically proven ingredients to support scar removal and skin repair. You can trust that it's free from additives, placebos, or harmful ingredients. It's perfect for a variety of scars, including those from surgery, burns, cosmetic procedures, C-sections, and injuries. It also works as a healing ointment and pregnancy lotion. For the best results, use our scar gel sheeting for surgical scars or as part of an acne scar treatment plan. Combine it with our HF surgery and injury recovery supplement for the ultimate scar treatment regimen. What we like. This offers advanced scar treatment for a variety of skin concerns. If you are dealing with surgical scars, keloids, acne marks, burns, or stretch marks, this silicone gel is designed to help improve their appearance. It's a physician-made formula recommended for anyone seeking effective scar removal and skin repair. What people say. The incision follows a neck fold which helps, but you can barely notice the scar. In fact, if I point the scar out, people have said where. It has been great, but what was even better is my doctor wanted to know what I was using because my scars were soft and looked amazing. I love the formula and my skin absorbed it quickly. I could definitely see a difference in my new and old scars. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.